bag of Beyond Auto and Performance. Checking on the Chrysler 300. This is update number 2 for can we make a profit off this random car that I found at an auction. I think the answer is yes. I'm actually almost 100% confident. At this point, I can make a profit. If I can't make a profit off of this, then I should probably never try to sell a vehicle again. Other than that, this fucking guy, Carlos, over here, yeah, he's taking care of me right now. Beyond Auto, got Brian inside. We're gonna wait to talk to him and see what's going on. And they ordered me a new front bumper, so that's kind of dope. I gotta get it painted, but other than that, that's not a big deal. So let's go see what they're working on. How's it going, buddy?
Good, bro.
How's it looking?
Just cleaning it up. So dirty, bro.
Is it dirty down there?
You go off-road?
I only owned this car for 10 minutes before I brought it here.
Pepper?
This is like salt. This is salt and pepper right here. That's exactly what that is.
Too much pepper.
Just so that, like, what's that? The Salt Bay guy.
It's too much pepper.
I love pepper. I'll put pepper on everything. That's the old one? Is there a crack in it or just a bad gasket?
This is like a bad seal.
Okay, so with the plastic and with the aluminum. The injector.
I'm about to do that.
You're about to do that? See if there's power.
Clean it first and then check for wiring for a short. And then, yeah.
See if there's power.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you're gonna go home and get away from my car.
This one's going to junkyard.
Then you're going home getting away from the car. Carlos is always talking shit, man.
Right? I know.
It is. It's a great body. Yep. Yep. There's a little blemish right here. Look at that. That's just how you know it's a Canadian car. Wouldn't be a Canadian car without fucking rust, right? You need the rust, fam. These Rams. These ones right here. But actually, these ones, because of the weight. I mean, these in white. Or those. Probably these if I could get them in white. It's got some nice. Oh, those aren't bad looking either. Very nice, very nice, very nice. These aren't your Stancy boy wheels, boys. These are proper wheels. Go fast wheels. Just a BMW in a shop. Very normal. Alright, so Carlos said he broke my ECT. Let's go see what he did. Did you break my ECT?
ECCs, bro.
You broke it?
No.
You heard him. He said he broke it. That's what he said.
It's an upsell.
Yeah. Alright. What's broken?
This guy.
Oh, the sensor?
Yeah.
The sensors, it won't budge?
Yep.
Did you try lubing it?
Nope.
Did you try heating it? Try hitting it with a hammer?
It's plastic, brother.
So you're rebuilding the new oil cooler housing. From aluminum to plastic, because fuck plastic, right?
Yes.
There we go. All right, and then he'll put that back in. We'll test the injector, make sure it's getting power. If it is, then we'll fix it. We'll get it back on the road, and I'll sell it to Carlos for 4 times the amount I paid for it.
4 grand. 4 grand.
4 grand? Hell no, I'm already more than 4 grand into
4
it.
grand is good, bro.
No, I paid $41.95.
I think you got a decent offer for 4 grand. Eh?
9 grand.
Nah, it's not
For anybody else, 13 for you.
It's not gonna happen.
All right, okay, so you ordered a new ECT for the car. Carlos is going to test the actuator and the injector. So Jay's in there right now. He's rebuilding the oil cooler housing and waiting on that ECT to put it all back together and back in. That's it for the quick little update. So we will be back on Monday to pick up the car. That's when they should be done. Hopefully, fingers crossed. And then, yeah, from there, I guess what do we do next? We detail it. We get it cleaned. We get it ready to go. And then, I mean, it's just Chrysler 300. So you got to have the windows tinted. You probably don't, but I just feel like it'll be so much easier to sell if the windows are tinted. So we're gonna do that too, because it's not that expensive. It's a very easy thing to do, and it's just more appealing to people. So we'll get that done as well, and then we'll sell it.